Hi, I'm Dr. Midgen Brown. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the Feel Great system successfully. When you order, you'll get a 1-month supply of the Unimati and the Balance Fiber. That's 30 packets of Unimati and 60 packets of the Balance Fiber. If you subscribe, you'll also get a water bottle. You have the Unimati once a day in the morning and the Balance twice a day before lunch and dinner. In the morning, instead of breakfast, use the Unimati as a tool to help you prolong your fast. You can mix the Unimati in 2 to 3 cups of hot or cold water. I personally love it cold with lots and lots of ice, and I sip this every 10 to 20 minutes and make it last about 3 hours. If you find that you're running low, just add some more water to prolong the amount. The Unimati has a bunch of health benefits. Our Unimati is a powerful purified yerba mate extract used to maximize your fast. Yerba mate is known as Argentina's national drink. There is no crash and it is non-addictive. Unimati suppresses hunger and cravings. It boosts mood, mental, and physical performance. The Unimati is made by hand-picking the yerba mate leaves, fire roasting it, extracting the chlorogenic acid, concentrating it, and then purifying it of any impurities. Right now, there are hundreds of studies being done on the effects of chlorogenic acid. Chlorogenic acid is a dietary polyphenol. It's shown to be anti-diabetic, anti-carcinogenic, anti-inflammatory, and anti-obesity. Chlorogenic acid is also fantastic for naturally lowering blood pressure. In my previous video, The Science Behind the Feel Great System, I went into a lot of detail about the fiber product, but I'll do a quick summary here. Balance is more than just fiber. There are 4 patents on it. Balance is a pre-meal drink formulated to provide critical fiber and support. It's shown to increase satiety, slows the digestion of carbohydrates, provides healthy blood glucose, insulin, cholesterol, and triglyceride levels. This is your glucose and blood sugar levels without balance, and your glucose and insulin levels with balance. On your water bottle, you'll have a line that says balance right here. You fill the bottle with cold water up to that line, which is about 1 cup of water. And then you mix the balance in with the water. And then you shake it up. Just a few shakes. You don't want to overshake it or it'll get really thick. Unlike the Unimati, which you sip, the balance, you drink it right away. If you let it sit, it's going to get really thick and it'll be hard to drink. And then you wait 5 to 15 minutes before you have your lunch or your dinner. So that's the Feel Great system. You sip the Unimati in the morning to help you prolong your fast, and then you have your balance 5 to 15 minutes before lunch and dinner. If we know that fiber addresses many of the health problems we face today, and intermittent fasting addresses many of those problems too, why not combine the two? And that's what the Feel Great system is. Both men and women with all kinds of metabolic, lifestyle-related health issues have completely changed their lives with the Feel Great system. The Feel Great system costs about $6 a day in Canada and $5 a day in the US. However, most people find that they're actually saving money because they're fasting through 1 meal a day and cutting out snacks and diet sodas. One thing people worried about is, I've tried a lot of things in the past. They haven't worked for me. What if this doesn't work for me? We hear that from time to time, and I agree, $179 is a lot of money to waste if it doesn't work. But because the product and the protocol are 100% science-based, the manufacturer has a 90-day money-back guarantee. Use it properly, be consistent, and it won't let you down. And if you are unsatisfied for any reason, get a refund. When you go to order, there's a lot of information here about the products and the protocol. When you click Buy Now, it will take you to a page where you can select your flavor of Unimati and set up your order. There should be a discount code applied, and this can allow you to take advantage of the monthly subscription benefits, where you get free shipping, an additional $5 off, and you can cancel at any time. and there's usually a free gift. Right here next to the cart, you can read all about the 90-day money-back guarantee. I personally followed the protocol and I was blown away. Not only did I lose 20 pounds and improve my mental clarity and energy levels, I finally reversed my long-standing struggle with prediabetes. Based on everything I've seen and my own personal experience, I believe the Feel Great system is going to cover the world and help a lot of people.